Crypto arbitrage is a strategy that involves buying cryptocurrency on one exchange where it is priced lower and selling it on other exchange where it is priced higher. This can be a profitable way to trade cryptocurrencies, but it is important to choose the right exchanges. Here are some of the best 5 crypto arbitrage exchanges for 2023. The first one on our list is Binance. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume. It was founded in 2017 and is known for its wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, low trading fees, and high liquidity. Some of the primary true features of Binance are its wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, low trading fees, high liquidity, advanced trading features such as margin trading, future trading, and options trading. The second exchange on our list is Kraken. Kraken is the cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2011. Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange due to a number of factors. In its early days, it made headlines by supporting investigation into missing bitcoins from Mt. Gox exchange, which helped to establish its reputation as trustworthy exchange. Kraken also introduced new features in its early 2015 such as margin trading and dark pool services, which made it more attractive to both professional and retail traders. Dark pool clients are eligible for potentially better prices as they are allowed to discreetly place a large order that get executed against similar sized order, offering them price advantage. Overall, Kraken is a well-respected cryptocurrency exchange with a wide range of features and benefits for users of all experience levels. The next one on our list is Huobi. Huobi Global is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2013 in Beijing. It quickly became one of the 3 biggest crypto exchanges in China, but it was forced to move its crypto trading services abroad in 2017 due to changing regulatory landscape. Huobi Global has since managed to successfully grow its user base outside China to become one of the most liquid crypto exchanges in the world. However, it also faced setbacks. Despite these setbacks, Huobi Global has managed to build a thriving crypto asset ecosystem composed of its blockchain and Huobi token. Today, Huobi Global claims to serve tens of millions of users in 170 plus countries. The fourth one on our list is Bitfinex. Bitfinex is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2012. It is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by volume. It offers relatively low trading fees. However, Bitfinex has a shady past, including several fines and accusation of market manipulation. Bitfinex has also faced past fines for operating an unlicensed exchange and facilitating illegal off-exchange transactions. These issues raise serious questions about the integrity of the cryptocurrency exchange. The fifth one on our list is Coinbase. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies, including NFTs. It is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world with over 108 million verified users and over 10,000 assets to choose from. Coinbase is a good option for both beginners and experienced traders with its user-friendly interface and a simple way to convert crypto to cash and vice versa. The exchange has also been evolving over years, adding and removing coins and rolling out updates to create smoother user experience. To understand what is crypto arbitrage, check out our latest video on crypto arbitrage. Thank you for watching this video.